So you've got a USB or other controller that has actual physical vibration motors, but for some reason, whenever you try to use it in game or on an emulator, the vibration motors just don't register with your PC and it just will not vibrate. Let's learn how to fix that today. It basically comes down to drivers. If you don't have the right drivers, your PC will not recognize the vibration motors as hardware, and therefore your generic USB controller will not be able to vibrate in the emulator or in the game. Same thing with something like a Nintendo Switch Pro controller, it will not register correctly. The two main drivers you are going to need are the Xbox 360 controller drivers for something like the Nintendo Switch controller, and you also might need some additional third-party software for some random USB controllers. Now let's go over how to make these USB controllers actually vibrate. So you want to go on over to here, it's linked in the description, and then just hit download, wait for this to load, and the download to start up. Once you have this downloaded, open up the zip file, close that out, and then start the setup. Just hit driver and set it up. And that's really all you should need to do to make vibration work. So yeah, it's pretty simple. I hope that works. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you at some point this week. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're trying to get to 100,000 before the end of 2021. I know, it's a long way. But yeah. I will see you later. Drink some water. Bye now.